welcome back to our YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever location you're watching me from. I appreciate you guys for supporting me, for watching my videos, for subscribing, sharing, liking. You guys are the best. I'm so very happy. If you're new here, my name is Waya Solution. You're welcome to the family. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button now. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be part of the family, so that you can always get notification from YouTube whenever I post new videos like this. Thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos, for sharing. You guys are the best. God bless you guys. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a powerful recipe or remedy or spell, whichever one. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a powerful recipe. This recipe is highly effective. Okay, it's based on to chase those enemies far away from you, those enemies around your home or your workplace, those enemies that is keeping negative energies against you, keeping malice, trying to spoil your name, your image. With this recipe, you can chase them far away from you. If they didn't come to beg you, they will run with their two legs. Okay, this recipe is highly effective. If you're a man, you can use this recipe. If you're a woman, you can use this recipe. If you're a married woman, you can use this recipe for those side chicks that is coming to destroy your home. Okay, see those side chicks that is coming to spoil your marriage. With this recipe, they will run far away with their two legs. They will run. Okay, so this recipe is very powerful. Okay, so I've given into a few people. They've all testified for this. I gave it out to a friend of mine. She based in Europe, and she was complaining about a friend of ours there in our workplace, that the girl is always bittered, trying to spoil her name, laying false allegation and all that. So I said, don't worry, I have a recipe to give you. Okay, you're going to do it all by yourself. If that person that is trying to spoil your name, trying to spoil your legacy and all that, if that person didn't come and beg you, the person will run far away from you. Okay, she said okay. So I told her what to do and all that. She did everything and she testified for this. That's the reason. That's the reason why I'm dropping this recipe here. So I'm being motivated. I said, okay, let me share this powerful recipe with my viewers, my subscribers, so that they can also benefit from this. Okay, so what you have to do for this remedy, you'll be needing just two ingredients, which is your onions, as you can see, and your pepper. Okay, so what you will do, you see this, your onions, your onion. What you will do, you get a knife. Okay, you get a knife. You're going to cut this onion. You cut it from the middle into two. Okay, if you cut this onion into two, don't split it apart. Okay, don't split it apart. Just cut and hold the onions. Don't split apart. Then you see this particular paper. I would like you guys to use A4 paper, the one without line, preferably. Okay, that's A4 paper, the one without lines. So you get a piece of paper, just as little like this. So if you get your paper and your onions, then what you will do, you see that particular person that is disturbing you. Okay, now this is what you will do. You write that person's name on the piece of paper. Okay, so if that person's name is I don't want to mention name now. If that person's name is thank you, or Yoon, or Min, or just okay, so you just write the person's name. Okay, so if you have no idea about that person's name, you can just simply write Ox. Okay, so now this is what you do. After you write the person's name on the piece of paper, you see that onion. Okay, fold the paper, this particular paper, you fold it. Okay, you fold it and put it inside the onion. Okay, put it inside the onion and close it back. Now this is what you will do. As you put it inside the onions and close it back, now this is what you will do. You begin to chant the person's name. Okay, call the person's name. If you don't know the person's name, just say X. Okay, then you begin to chant and say that you, this particular person that is trying to spoil my name, trying to spoil my image, trying to lay false allegation on my head and all that. Now, right now, I want you to go far away from you, far away from me. I want you to live my life. I don't want you to disturb me anymore. Okay, just speak to that onions. Okay, while the piece of paper is inside, I want you to go far away from me and all that. As you do this, okay, once you're done, after you've already chant and say the things you want, now you open the onions a little bit. Okay, add a little salt and pepper. Okay, add little salt and pepper. Just open the onions a little bit and add little salt and pepper, then close it back. Then you chant again, call the person's name and say you, let's say the person's name is thank you. You say you, thank you. You're trying to spoil my image, you're trying to spoil my name. I want you to live my life. I want you to just say whatever you want to say all your intention to the onions. Okay, once you're done, now you get sorry, you get a nylon or a polythene bag. Okay, get a nylon or polythene bag, then you put the onion inside the nylon or polythene bag. Okay, you will squeeze it and tie it thoroughly, tight, very very tight. Okay, now this is what you will do. You will go just go far away from your home. Okay, just go far away, like if you are in Nigeria, if you are here in Nigeria, you can go like far away as far as like 2 to 3 streets. Okay, so just go far away and look for a place to throw this particular spear. Look for a place to throw it on. Just throw it far away. Okay, as you do this, just say it to yourself that as I throw these onions far away, onions with this piece of paper inside it, as I throw it far away, let this person live my life. Let this person live everything that concerns me. Let this person just live my life and never returns. Okay, and visualize, just visualize that the person is really living your life. The person is going far away and he or she is not coming back to your life. Okay, once you do this, you're going to see wonders. Okay, you see that particular person that is trying to spoil your name, that is trying to spoil your image, your legacy, trying to lay false allegation on your head, things you don't even know about, trying to just to do everything possible to bring you down. You see that particular person, that person, if that person didn't come to beg you, the person will run far away with pain. The person will run. Okay, just like you see a situation whereby if you are the kind of person that have phobia for dog. Okay, you see the moment you just if you just see dog like this, like that fear, that's it. If the person just see you, the person will not be comfortable if anywhere you are, if the person is there, the moment you just come to that place, the person will run. The person cannot even withstand you. The person will run far away from you. So if you are a married woman out there, if you're a married woman out there and your husband is not giving you attention and you are very sure that yes, your husband have side chicks, men, please don't be offended that I'm revealing these secrets. Okay, so this is let me say this is part one. I'll be revealing more about how to chase those side chicks away from you. Okay, marriage is all about enjoyment, all about love, all about attention. Okay, it's for couples to enjoy, not you as a woman after you've already built your home, you've suffered to follow your husband, you've done everything, okay, for the family. At the end of the day, after things is now working out, then your husband will go out there and be carrying side chicks, and those side chicks want to come and break your home. No, it's not fair. Okay, so men, please don't be offended. So with this recipe, you can get a positive result. Okay, I'll be dropping more recipe. Okay, but this particular one, you can also try this particular one. So if you're a married couple and there's a side chicks outside there, okay, and you are aware about this side chick, whether you know the name or not. So all you have to do, just get these onions just the way I explained it. Write the person's name, okay. If the guest name is thank you, write, just for instance, the guest name is thank you, I don't want to mention name, write the guest name thank you. If you don't know the name, just simply write ox, okay, on the piece of paper, then put it inside the onion, okay. They chant the person's name, okay. Tell the onion that this so and so person here, this thank you, I want you to leave my marriage, I want you to leave my husband alone, go far away from me, okay. Just say all your intention, all the thing, pour it out to the, with anger, pour it out to the onions, okay. Just pour it out, okay. Then open the onion a little bit, just the way I explained it. If you divide the onions, please don't split the onions into two, okay. Okay. Then after you've chanted the name, then open the onion a little bit, and add um, a little pinch of salt and pepper, then close it back, chant the person's name and say all your intention, that the person, the side chicks, to leave your home, to leave your marriage, to leave your husband and go. If the person refuses, the person will go with tears, okay. So do this, okay, and put it inside a polythene bag or a nylon bag, then tie it very thoroughly and go and throw it away. Just visualize that the side chicks is already gone, okay. The side chick is not coming back to your home or coming back to your husband. Visualize it very well, okay, and you will see wonders, okay. So don't worry, I'll be dropping more tips about how to chase those side chicks, okay. This recipe is highly informative. So that's the end for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to share this video. Please share this video. Please share this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button now. Like this video, drop your positive comments. I really appreciate you guys are the best. Thank you so much. See you guys. Stay blessed.